Hi to all of you. My name is the Avanti Ghost. I was hired to have a part in this channel by a secret entity. So I'll be here every once in a while to have part of this channel. It could be to make a constructive critic for different kind of channels to this platform. I also will do some reviews of whatever they will ask me to do. It will depend on different things. It can happen in different occasions and in different situations. My purpose here is to look for the most, to click into those things that other channels and other people don't see. We're gonna target different kind of thing through different channels, and even if I have to in this very own channel. So you will see me here every once in a while. And my name is the Avanti Ghost. I'll be here and I'll be seeing you very soon.